Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see how I organize my makeup, then just keep on watching. So this is actually my main makeup drawer, usually very organized. Obviously it's not anymore, but that's what we're here to do today. As you can see, I have way too much makeup in this one drawer because it's the top of the Alex drawers, so it's like one of the smaller ones. What I like to keep in this drawer is like stuff I use on a day-to-day basis, and then I have a drawer down below that has like everything else in it. So basically I'm going to start by taking everything out and going through placing two piles, basically what I use on an everyday basis versus what I don't use, and then once everything's cleared out, I'll then put all the stuff that I use back in an orderly fashion, and then put everything else that I don't use in the bottom drawer. So here is all the makeup that I just took out of this drawer. That is way too much makeup for this little drawer. So this is what I'm left with after. This is way too much makeup for me to have in this drawer. This is all the makeup I need on an everyday basis. So yeah, all this makeup will be going in my extra drawer, and I'll show you guys that one. And lastly, we have this drawer. This is kind of like a miscellaneous drawer. It was just skincare, but I've recently started my own business, so I also keep my business cards in here and like extra supplies. So I'm gonna actually organize this because I don't like how this is. This is way too cluttered. So a little overview of my skin care. This is what I'm currently using every day. This is my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. My all-time favorite moisturizer. I just bought this with the Sephora VIB sale. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked my organization. And I'll see you guys next time.